Your hot tub needs regular cleaning. We recommend doing it on a quarterly basis. The cleaning process removes all body oils, lotions, cosmetics, sweat, and hair products that chemicals and filtration don't remove. Here's how to do it. Remove the cartridges. Flush the spa lines following the manufacturer's directions with a cleaning product, such as System Flush by BioGuard or Spa Purge by Natural Chemistry to avoid biofilm. Bacteria love biofilm. Next, turn off the power. Hook up the hose and let the tub empty. Using Spa Filter Cleaner by BioGuard, clean the filters and spray down the shell with diluted white vinegar or shell cleaner. Filters should be changed yearly or at the first sign of wear. Do not use anything abrasive to clean your spa shell. Now it's time to refill your clean hot tub. Make sure to balance the water or stop by the store and get your water professionally tested. We hope you find these tips helpful. You can also call on Central Jersey Pools to handle this each quarter.